How to add pronouns to your TikTok profile is what I'm going to show you in this video. We'll start off by opening up the TikTok app. In here, you want to click on your profile picture in the bottom right. This opens up your profile. This works on Android and iOS. What you now want to do is click Edit Profile in the center. Now, these steps over here are what you can change, like name, username, and just below that you see pronouns. Click Add Pronouns on the right, and now you can enter a bunch of pronouns. Let's say he, and as you can see, they'll give you a list of all these different pronouns you can add. So let's say he, they, and theirs. Now once you're happy with your pronouns, as you can see at the top, you can add up to 4, which you can add or edit or remove at any time. But once you're happy with those, click Save in the top right. And as you can see, under pronouns on the right, they are now added. If you go back and refresh, as you can see at the top, it says my name and then the pronouns.